Today we're going to be doing solving problem that has to do with bearing. But before that, we need to look at some of the rules. That is the rule, cosine rule. In cosine rule, we have according to uh, cosine rule, when you have a triangle of this type, this is the angle, angle, angle. So according to cosine rule, it means that to find the value of this side, side B, it means that b squared equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos cos b, the angle. And then if you're finding the angle now, if you want to find this angle, what it means that cos b will be equal to a squared plus c squared minus b all over 2ac. So this is what we are going to be applying as we solve this problem. Now let's quickly look at the question we have here. Now thank you so much. If you are joining for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and then you can also, the question we are solving will be in the description of the video, and if you have anything you want to ask us, you can also do that there. So you can do that in the comment section. So let's quickly look at the question we have here. In this question, a student is moving walk 60 meter on a bearing of 0.35. Now you will notice we have where this is a three-figure bearing or three-digit bearing in this case, and this other one, okay, the next one is said that 300 meter due east. How far? The question is how far is she from a certain point? So let's go down to that. In a three-figure bearing or three-digit bearing, it's normally start from the north and then move and clockwise direction. Moving clockwise direction, we have 35. That means 35 at 5 degree, so that it moves. This is the bearing. Now we'll talk about the distance. The distance will then be this, which is what 60 meter. The distance is what 60 meters. Say it again, and then he move what? The person move due east. The student move due east. That means we have a cardinal point here. Assuming we have north, this is north, this is west, this is south, and this is what east. So in move due east, that means all the way east. Everything that has to do with east, that's the movement. East, all the way east. So that is what it means. And then in that movement along that due east, we have 300 meter. So the question said, how far is she from her starting point? So how far from here now to where she started to where she was started? That is what the question said we are going to be looking at. So in this case now, if you look at it in what we're going to do here, we are looking for this side. Perhaps from what we have done here, we can say this one is B, and this one can be the capital angle. I can say this one is what? A, and here will be what? C. Here will be C. So B, side A. So let's quickly go down, drive in. Let's drive in. I believe that we're together. So based on what we have here, our B is what we are looking for. So before we do that, we need to find the side. Now look at this. So this seems to be alternate angle because they are parallel to each other. Two, if you cross this thing now, if you cross it, then you find out they are all parallel line. That means here is what? 35. And since it's due east, that means here is what? 90. Because east cardinal point, 90 is what they have. So since it moves to east, so what we have there should be what? 90. Now, to find the angle we have there, 90 plus 35, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means that's what we have. So So this is the angle. Now we can then apply this rule. Our B is this one. We have B squared giving us A. This is our side A. This angle A, meaning that this one is side what? A. We say is what? 300 squared, and then plus C. This is our C. This is our C. So this is the side minus 2 times 300 times 60 cos cos B, which is 125 degree. So what else are we doing here? What we're doing again, we can then square everything. Let's square them. 300 squared will give us 300 squared will give us 9. So 60 squared will give us 3600. So when we multiply 300 times 60 times 2, we have 36,000. Then we'll come to this course. In the second quadrant, in the second quadrant, cos is negative. So this 125 degree will give us a negative number. Let's use calculator to get it faster. So what we have here will be minus 0.5736. So now we start adding up. If we add up this one, we add up, we have 90,000 plus 3600 to give us 93600 minus, okay, when we multiply through, if we multiply through there, 36,000 times minus 5736, everything will turn to plus. We have it to be 20 . So this is what we have. So the next thing we are going to do here, we are going to be adding up. If we add up everything we have here, 90 . Okay, the next thing we are going to do here is to find the square root of this. To find the square root, what we have here will be, okay, the square root, we have 114250. What we have is b is equal to 33 kilometer. Okay, meter. So this is the distance from our starting point. This is what we have. We have 338 meters. Thank you so much if you're joining for the first time, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, you can also ask your question. Leave your question in the comment section. We'll always attend to you. And remember to share and like. Thank you so much.